Hi everyone, this is Plain Jen from Apothefairy Soapworks. I'm going to be doing a lather test for the shampoo bars. This is the scraps that were left over. You'll probably see it coming apart because I had to force it together. But I just want to do a lather test so you all can see how much lather the shampoo bars give.
What is that?
Shampoo.
Shampoo?
Shampoo.
I like that shampoo.
I know you do.
Can I see it? Who buys it, Poppy?
No, I made it.
You made it?
Yes.
Where was it?
Okay.
Where was it at?
There you can see the lather.
Okay. Papa,
I eventually flattened it.
Mommy, look.